Alright, so I got you at an overhead view so you can watch this thing work. Let me zoom in, fine tune the camera. Okay, so what you're looking at right there, that's the contacts. They just draw it in when the water went down low for pressure. So when it comes back up, it should kick it off when it gets to 60 psi. This is a test. It's almost on 60, so it should be kicking off any moment now. Just like that. So let me get my pointer. And the old pressure switch. So we got what right here in view is, this is the old pressure switch. And you see these contacts right here, they were burnt. They fell down inside of there and they weren't making contact. The only ones that was working was this side right here. So that's what I changed down there. So the one down there is the new one. And we're gonna test it out, make sure it's working. Again, before I leave with the customer, so I won't get a callback call. So right now, the pressure is on 60. Turn the water on. And you're gonna see those contacts draw in when the water pressure on that spring back there goes down. That's the line right here. Okay, you saw it made contact. So they draw it in. So I'm gonna turn the water off. So when the pressure builds back up, it'll turn it off. All right, so we're going on to get to 60 psi, and we'll have another job done. So there you have it. The contacts opened up when it went to the proper pressure. So I'm gonna call this thing good. And like I said, this is the old pressure switch. And you see that spring down in there. This thing had fell apart. I don't know why it did it, but it did. And there's no way to fix that. That thing is collapsed down in there. So the only thing you can do with this right here is either make it a souvenir or toss it. But like I said, I'm gonna test this pressure switch down here once again. Turn on the water. Pressure gonna go down. Pressure goes down enough, those contacts are gonna kick. Watch these contacts. There they go. So now it's building back up pressure until it does the cycle all over again. When it builds up enough pressure, those contacts right there by the spring right there is going to release them. And that's going to turn the motor off. All right. So I'm going to turn the water off again. And we're going to watch it turn off. All right. I'm going to call this job good. Now we ain't going to talk about this panel right here. This thing is a whole other ball game. It's got run capacitors and all kind of things in there, which I don't know what's going on with that thing, but it's not looking too good, but it's working. So my job was to fix this right here, and the customer has water right now, and I'm gonna call it good. And once again, So I don't get another call back. I already got one this morning to come change this pressure switch. So I'm gonna turn it on. Ants crawling over my phone. Pay attention to the contacts. Watch the contacts. Okay. Contacts contacted. Pump is on. Building up pressure. I close the water valve. And it should turn it off when it gets up to the prescribed pressure. Can't do no more than that. It's got power in, power out. Contacts just turned off. We should be golden. All right. Y'all, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next job. Who knows what it'll be. I'm always doing something. Every time I get a call, man, it's something new. So stay vigilant. You'll see. All right. Thanks for watching.